The key to building an amazing community is to treat it like a product and not an afterthought. I learned this while working at Red Bull as a student brand ambassador. Building community was at the core for our brand, and there's two main steps to activate this. Number one, we're micro-ambassadors. It was my job to find the top athlete and the top DJ on campus. A micro-ambassador is someone who's influential to their friends and family, and they believe in your product and tagline, and they want to share it with their own community. Number two is seeding. Seeding is when you give product for free to these micro-ambassadors. By giving them product, it increased the exposure to the Red Bull product and brand and created unique experiences for each person that had Red Bull for the first time. Over the past 3 years, we've been using the Red Bull best practices, following their guerrilla marketing tactics to build our community. We've done this through in-person events such as 100-person bike rides in LA, to parties in Miami, Florida, to activating with Live Nation at their festivals from Austin City Limits to Bonnaroo. We've got to meet different artists and fans that love SuperMush and believe in our tagline, the daily dose of good vibrations. Building a community is a soul to your brand, and it's amazing seeing other ambassadors and customers out there represent your brand with their audience as if it's their own.